It's a nice day out, gorgeous, and went outside to do some work on that old clunker of mine. I know, honey. Don't worry. I'm just gonna be working on the truck. And while I was under there, my feet were dangling out from the undercarriage of the vehicle. Well, I looked to my side, actually to my left, when I noticed an oncoming vehicle that looked like the guy was swerving all over the road. I don't know what he was thinking driving under those circumstances that he was. All I could assume is that he got in a big argument with his wife.
You tell me I'm fucking lazy. You stupid. Maybe you should get a fucking goddamn job. Fuck!
I know so was a drunk driver. I wasn't sure what was going on. And then the next thing you know, he ran over my legs. I couldn't even feel my legs. I didn't know what was happening.
Why? What did I do for work? My legs! No! My legs!
Drunk drivers not only hurt themselves, they hurt innocent people like me. This is me now.